this here, so. All right, share with the screen. Yeah, I think we're gonna start use back over here. So I can't bother with TikTok. Me I tell you, say TikTok a piss me off real nice. Because I don't know what do them and their foolishness. All right. Right. Yeah, but TikTok keep they keep thing there. They keep shadow banning my page. So when they shadow ban your page, you can't see people, they don't push out your page to FYP. That's the only thing. Because whereas me used to show my screen before, TikTok has me I sell products and services me there. That them get myself from the USA company purchase the something. Me can go on there and tell them to go live and tell them to go up on my YouTube page. And me I send them over there. From them by the company, I be a foolish to some along with them. Them a suspend everybody page, them a do this, them a do that. Be a nonsense. So yeah. Let me see. Yes, so that's it, Novia. So what you need to do, Novia, you need to delete the old ones. So the ones that has the ones on there, delete those ones. Just swipe your finger across and then delete them. Yeah, that's it. Right. So we can go back on the live. I'll tell everybody for go on my TikTok, on my YouTube page over there. So me I go tell them for go over there. So make TikTok move all crosses. Watch me and them. Yeah, from USA, take control. I be a foolish to some along with everybody every minute them as them start their live restriction for foolishness. Sure. And I like see them a pay any decent money over there, so be a rubbish. It good to get customers in, but you say once you start out about your things, then I like them something here. Because they said we're taking the customers off of the app. Yeah. So you can't show anything on your screen. They want to see your face. The look at AI is something them have run at the back end there, so want to see your face. So you have to get up every day and dress up like a dolly for come on this, yeah. Me can't bother with them something like I'm gonna have time for it every day. Me can't laugh. Ooh. All right. All right, guys. So we are get ready for MES. So MESRES, guys. Yeah, and then why you get up every day and dress up and put on makeup and all sort of things and come on this cup every day for come beg and do foolishness. Sure. Then I look a piece of 50% when them a pay the people them. Absolutely already. Right. So for everybody that's on here, guys, everybody know how to log in to everybody know how to log into Alpha and check your metrics for the day. Everybody know how to do that. So what you guys need to do, right? Everybody, for those who've been with me for a while, everybody's supposed to know. Also, everybody's supposed to know how to do that from now. by now. For those persons who are new, what you need to do is not now, after you finish doing the trade. Actually, we talk about it when we finish doing the trading. Right. Let me see what I go on here. So now what time? Oh yes. The ugly man attack at 3 o'clock, guys. Wait. We can't call out no trades right now. Right. People on TikTok here, so no go over my YouTube. Come to my YouTube channel here. Come work with nobody over here, so. YouTube. Come over here, so keep. YouTube over here, so. YouTube. Yep, YouTube. Okay. Yep, Kimberly. Kimberly London. Right. So over the summit, guys. And maybe you to know over here, so. Nice, nice, nice. Good. Just gonna delete it, so. Delete. Let me see if oil come back down as I yet. Nope, still playing about right there, so. So I can leave that one for now. You saw some earlier. All right, so nothing set up around here so yet, guys. All right. All right, all right. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Right, so MAQ. Which ones I remove? Remove the all the pairs. Remove the all pairs. I will wait for that to set up. Yes, we can put this over my YouTube. Hold on a second. Bing, ling, 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 ling. All right. Let me pin this. Pin. All right. Let's see. Let me see. All right. All right. Right here, so all of these go over here, so all right, guys. M and Q for the buy, guys. M and Q or NQ for the buy. All right, M and Q for the buy. M and Q for the buy. M and Q for the buy. So M and Q if you have a small account, and NQ if you have a bigger account, guys. Yeah, that's the one. All right. So for those persons who are new, guys, to get into the trade on your TradingView app, that's why I'm tell you guys to use the TradingView app so you get familiar with it. Right? So on the app, you're going to go to chart, right? Then in the same line where you see the little pen, look over to your left, you're going to see the three letters. Scroll down until you find M and Q, right? If you have the big account, you're looking for NQM. All right. So when you find it, you're going to go across to where the pen is. You're going to see two arrows, one pointing up, one pointing down. Click on it, and you're going to press on the blue button. The blue button is the buy button. All right. You have to do it fast, doing it, guys, because remember, see the market a move. All right. So once you do that, then drop down in the chat so I know so everybody is in the trade. So again, to get in for the buy, if you have a small account, if you have a 50K account, you're trading MNQ, right? For those who have a big account, like a 100 or 150K account, you guys are trading NQM. All right. Nice, nice, nice. Right. First, you're in the trade. You over, you're in. Right. So how far are you? right? You need to click on buy. You guys need to move quicker than this because if the market gone, you cannot enter back the trader. Right? So you need to click on the pair, click on buy, right? Well, you have to enter ASAP, guys. You cannot dilly-dally and get in late. Remember, these are trades where you move. Because they move fast. Right? What I could do is I could do a video and demonstration video and drop it in the group. You guys have to, you understand? Learn if you follow instructions from far without even seeing. For you, when you do it on your own, you understand that you will know what is what. All right. So let me know if you enter the trade, Novia. Because yesterday you thought that you entered the trade and you never entered the trade. So this is what you're in. So if you're on the trading view app itself, you're gonna click on chart, right? Click on chart, then above, right, the little panel above, you're gonna see the three letters to your left. Look for I believe you're on a 100K account, so you can trade NQ. You're gonna look for NQM 2026, the new one that you just added on. Then over to your right, you're gonna see the two arrows beside the pen. Click on it, then click on the blue button, which is equal to buy. Right? Let me know when you do that. I'll send me a screenshot of it. Let me see if you're in the trade. Because we know why you guys tell me so not in, I'm not in. And I wanna miss out for money. All right. So for those who are trading VIX, guys, everybody's supposed to still be in 25 when it's still pushing up. Let me see what other pair we can get into. All right. Let me see what's going on around here. All right. We have these up push up. Nice, nice, nice. All right. We'll wait. And one more to set up. Kind of struggle right here, so. View only mode. You did connect the broker to the trading view, Novia. This doesn't look like you're connected to the trading to the broker. All right, so that's why your trades them now go through. Because you haven't connected to the broker. All right. So we have to go do that afterwards. All right, guys, get ready for MES or ES. Yeah, not yet. Not yet. It's not ready. All right, guys, I can get into MES for those who are on a small account and ES for those who are on a big account. So MES, MESM for those who are on a small account, and ESM for those who are on a big account. All right, made it already in there. Nice, nice, nice. All right, and then when we finish, we can help Novia set up. All right, everybody else in? Don't have anything else setting up on the VIX side, guys. The only thing that's moving so far, it's 25 1S. So make sure you secure no profit along the way. Move your stop loss in profit. Right, nice, nice. It's a push, man. Jesus. Look like Trump make this a market a move on as a watcher. Mighty God of Daniels. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so let me help Novia set up now. All right, so Novia, what you need to do right now is you need to, which part of the now? TradingView app. Right. So you need to click on chart. Well, I'm gonna unmute you because otherwise you have to go type in the chat every second. Hold on a second. Hold on. iPhone. I have two iPhones on here again. You guys need to update this run of the when you guys come back out, when you update it on the outside, not on the inside. So I have to unmute one, and I don't know which one is Novia. Let me see.
Okay, I'm on mute now.
Okay, yes. All right. So on your TradingView app, right? You're gonna click on chart.
Okay.
All right. Then you're going to see a little panel at the top. You're gonna see the pen, the two arrows, and three dots.
And is it click on charts?
Yeah.
Click on charts. And at the top you said?
Yeah, just look a bit above where the chart is. Where you see the symbol at the bottom, look above, you're gonna see where it says
a pen. There's a pen you said?
Yeah, you're gonna see some symbols to your right. And you're gonna see three dots. Click on the three dot and let me know what you see.
And the analysis of layout setup, manage unnamed
You're at the wrong
indicator.
place.
Okay, X that. You said click on the three dots, right?
Yeah.
So the three dots, you have tools, indicators, alerts, bar, replay.
All right, so that's not the one. So that means if you're not seeing because you're supposed to have three dot before. All right, can you see the blue and white symbol for the broker? I don't know if or take a screenshot of it and send it to me. Let me see. Because if you're not seeing the three dots, then that means you're connected then.
Okay, take us. Oh, you want me to take? Okay, when I click chart, you want me to take a screenshot of that page with the three dots? Okay.
Yeah, click on the chart and then take a screenshot of the whole screen. Let me see.
Okay.
Because something is missing. Is either you're using, you never log in, you never sign up back with the TradingView on this account.
Yeah.
You're supposed to use, because when you did it, you signed up with using your computer. Is it the same email and username?
Same email and user, same email, same user ID, everything. Every information is the same thing.
All right. So take a screenshot of it. Let me see.
Okay.
Because if you're not seeing it, then it's a possibility that you're already connected to the broker. Let me see. Let me see. All right. So charts and your three that there. So I'm go family because you are going here. So it's not showing that you're connected to the broker. Yeah, yours is not showing that you're connected to the broker. Yours are show. All right. Let me see. Let me see. Watch this chart. Explore that. So your three dots is different. So yours, I don't know, oh, yours different. I don't know how to explain the part here. Because you said the three dot you're seeing, the three dot on yours is showing analysis hub.
Okay, let me go to the next step and screenshot it.
All right, when you click on analysis hub, right? What do you see in the middle? Because mine
Let me
show
screenshot it.
mine show the broker, which is Trade of 8. What is yours showing? Hey, Yaga. All right. So trade is not really showing clear on here. All right, so click on where it says trade with broker. I guess every phone is different. Cause probably I show me I use the iPhone. Mine is a little bit different from the Android. I don't know if it can be
Mine,
do
mine,
update.
mine is an iPhone. Mine
Oh,
an
it's an
iPhone
iPhone.
17. iPhone 17 Pro
All
Max.
right. Man, it must show different on the different device them. All right, so click on where it says trade with broker and
Yeah,
then
now
tell
I
me.
see paper. This is paper trading, Trade of 8,
So
AMP,
click on Trade of
Anandaz.
8. You don't have to read all of them. Just click on Trade
Okay,
of
Trade
8.
of 8. Okay, live demo connect.
So you need to click on demo and then connect. And then you're gonna need the username and the password from Alpha Futures. Morning, Tasha. Did you take the trade in the chat this morning, Tasha? That's the only one we had called out this morning, the 25 1S.
You said from Alpha Futures, right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
log into your dashboard and then go to the account that you bought and go to account info and then copy the username and password. Well, copy it 1-1.
Okay.
So that's why your trade never got through last night because you thought you were
If I
logged
take me
in.
out, okay,
Yeah, you thought you were logged in and the trade was placed, but it never placed. That's why I'm
okay.
like, you understand, do these sessions so we can get to understand what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
Because me, I say, I couldn't blow. You blow the account already and you're not even start yet.
This way. That way? No, one of these. This side right here.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
All right. Right. Let me see this. Let me drop this in the group. Right, guys.
It
101S for the buy,
it says
guys.
it failed. I don't know why.
Right. Make sure that you're not typing it in. Just copy, click on
No,
the two little.
I copy paste.
Oh, you copy? Okay. Because when persons type it out, it never thing there properly. So I'm gonna tell everybody to make sure they copy it with the two little thingy at the side. All right. Copy. Boom. Come over here, so over here, so.
Let me try one more time.
Hi, Mari. Good evening.
You said copy and paste now. And after me copy and paste it, you go right to the thing, right into trading view.
Yeah, it should automatically log you back into TradingView.
Yeah, it automatic this time because before it was like it wasn't taking me in there, but now it jumped right back into trading view this last time.
Okay. So if you go back to TradingView itself, you're
That means
supposed
it's
to
in, right?
you're supposed to see
Go
the
on the
blue
three
and
dots
white.
now.
You're supposed to see the blue and white symbol.
Beside the three dots. Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now we can get started. So now
Okay.
you're gonna look over to your left hand side, and then you're gonna see the three letters. So you're looking to get into let me see if I can set enter right now. Right, yes. So if you're just coming on, guys, we're in NQ or MNQ for the buy, and we're in MES or ES for the buy. Right. So you're looking to get into NQM for you, Novia. So if it's not on there already, you're gonna scroll down until you find it. Scroll down or up.
So go back to chart.
Huh?
Go back to
Yeah.
chart, you said?
Go back to chart, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Yana, what's your question?
I press chart, I don't see nothing. I mean, I'm still on the thing.
So click on chart itself, and right above
Oh,
it, you're gonna see three letters to your left. On the same panel where you see the pen and the 1 day time frame, and the letters are on your left.
yes, I'm on that.
All right. I'm dealing with somebody, Yana, so you have to wait until we finish with the person.
And to the left, I see MNQ M2, whatever. That's what I see to the left.
All
And
right,
then
so
I see
you're looking
1B.
you're looking for the one that says NQM. That's the one you want.
Repeat again.
So NQM, NQM.
NQ. NQM, I find it.
All right. So now so you need to right beside it where you have the 1D, you need to change that time frame. Change the time frame down to the 15 minutes time frame. Your chart is too high. So just
15
click on
minutes.
it and you're gonna see the different time frames. Scroll all the way down. You're gonna see where it says minutes.
15 minutes. So press on 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes, yes.
Okay, so it's on 15 minutes.
All right. So that will stay there. That will
So
keep staying there.
NQM 15 minutes.
Yes. Then now
Okay.
you're gonna be pressing buy. So you're gonna click on the two little arrows, the one that goes up or down,
Where's the arrow at?
right beside the pen. But we're not looking at guys, we're not
Okay, yeah,
looking.
me see arrow now. Me see. Remember, it's my first trading, so me don't really
All
know.
right.
Yeah.
So
Okay, the
click
first. So click buy.
yes, and then you're gonna click on the blue button.
Where's the blue button?
So when you click on the arrows, you're supposed to see a little box pop up. Is either it says buy or blue, or it should be blue. Mine
So
still a show.
you sure? So me click buy for the first one.
So you click it already?
What that makes it for the first one. Me don't even make it buy for the first one.
Um, if you click it already, then the money
Okay.
is supposed to
And
start moving on your screen. If it's not showing, that means you haven't pressed it yet. Come in, want to if you could press it again and you could put on two contract. So take a screenshot of it
you
and
want
send it to
okay.
me.
All right, let me show you my screen. I want to show you.
Right. So for everybody else, this is all you know if you're in the trades, guys. When you click on the blue button, right, the money is supposed to appear on your screen. You see like how mine is showing right here, so? You have the one contract, then you have the money moving in green or red, right? That's how you know if you're in the trade or not. If it's not showing on there for that pair, that means you're not in the trade. So we have to make sure to double check these things, guys. Because the trade will run gone if we don't know in the trade. I
So
have to
it's
make
made a
sure that
thing
you're
or
only
no?
in one contract per trade if you're trading the NQ or the ES. Because if you could put on more than one and the one market pullback, your account gone. I have to go buy one next account again. We are trying to avoid all of those things. All right, so take a screenshot of the same screen that you're on now, Novia, and send it to me ASAP because the market will move.
You see, you don't see it. I think me send it. You don't see it.
Hold on. We can't get into the trades them late. Hold on a second. Where did you send it? On here? Oh,
On the chat.
we just see it now. Right, so the trade is placed, yes.
Two of them place, right?
Uh,
The two of them place. Two trades.
two
A
symbols,
two, you
two
see?
contract you put on. But let
Okay.
me see something here. So, um, yeah, you have to go close out this in profit. Hold on a second. How much are you up by now money?
What do you mean?
So on this, the screenshot that you send, you now follow instruction I know yeah. The screenshot that
Okay.
you sent me just now, if you look up on the screen, you see the money moving in the middle of this of the chart. The screenshot that you just sent me,
Mm-hmm.
you see where it says number 2 on the chart?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And the money beside it, how much are you up in profit? And now if you can't follow instruction in guys, there's something there in front of me, come here, look on it. So on your phone screen, right? On the
Mm-hmm.
chart itself, look up. You're gonna see where you see the number 2 in a little blue box.
Yes.
Are you gonna see the money in the middle? Are you gonna see the X? You know see that?
This say 6:15. What I mean?
6:15 in green,
Yeah, me see it in a green.
right? Close it out because you put on too much contract. You only need one. Make sure it's in green before you close it out though.
It's in green. So we want me to just press X,
Click on the X beside it.
okay. Close
Right.
close. I just press close position.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's
Right. So
closed.
you're gonna go back again,
Mm-hmm.
right? You're gonna click back on the 2 little arrows and you're gonna change, make sure that it's not on 2. You need it to be on 1 contract. So click back on the little arrow
Mm-hmm.
and in the middle, make sure that it says 1. If it's not 1, change it back to 1.
Where it says units,
Yeah. Where it says unit,
units,
put it to 1.
it's at one.
All
Unit it
right.
says one.
Now you're gonna press buy.
Okay.
Just one time.
So now it's at minus 20.
Right. So you're
Minus
in
it's
the trade
counting down.
now.
So don't do not nothing. I don't have to do anything right now.
That's it. That's it. You don't have to do anything right now. So that's
Okay.
it. So next time when you
So
come on the sessions,
mm-hmm.
that's how you're gonna place a trade. So if you hear me say
Okay.
get into NQ, that's the NQ. If you hear me say get into ES, then just like how I show you off that just like how I tell you off search for the pair, you're gonna look over to your left hand side and then you're gonna scroll up or down until you find ES. If me say
Okay.
get into MGCM, then you're gonna search and find that pair. So each pair that you're looking for, that's how you're gonna search and find them. And then when you're ready for buy, right, you're gonna click on the little arrow right there and press buy or sell. If I say, yeah, son, forgetting for your sell or buy, and that's it. Now, when you're in profit, you can close out later on, not right now. So later on, you're gonna close out once the trade is in profit.
Okay.
Right? Now,
But
if you're
that's gonna be what time?
um until we come off of the call, so we're gonna be on here for a while.
Okay.
Yes.
But
So if
me don't know how to close out, somebody have to go explain that to me.
so you just close out the trade. You know what? You want me just tell you if you close out the previous trade before. That's how you close out the trade when you're in profit.
Oh, just like how when someone's in the green right, they were telling me just okay,
Yes.
okay, okay,
So when
okay.
when it's in
Gotcha.
green later on, not right now,
Not
because
right now.
when you push up some more, when it's in the green, that's how you're gonna close out your
Close
trade
out.
by pressing
Okay.
the X and then click on close.
All right.
Right? So
Mm-hmm.
what you're gonna do now to check if you've made money, you're going to click on you're gonna click on the blue and white symbol. So click on the blue and white symbol, and it's gonna take you round to your history, onto your round to your history. Then you're gonna look at the top. So you're on a 100K account, right? You're gonna look at the
Yes.
top, and then you're gonna tell me how much you see in your balance.
Where's the blue and white symbol?
It's on your screen, down at the
The
bottom beside
the
the
T, the T symbol.
yes, the T, yes.
Okay. Okay. So I see profit. It's in red. 320 minus 325. It's moving up and down.
No man, at the top of your screen, you're gonna see account
Oh,
balance.
account balance. 100,000. Okay, 100,360 cents.
All right. So just now when the market uh, just now when you were in profit, you just close out with $300 extra.
Okay.
You understand? So each time
Mm-hmm.
you close out your trades in profit, that's where you're gonna come around and see if you've made money for the day.
So what am I looking for to close out each day?
So you're on a 100K account, so you need to make anything from say five to $1,000 per day.
Per
If you
day?
get to
Okay.
$1,000, yes. Because you need to your profit target is 8,000 US dollars. So you don't have to pass it in one day. Yeah, son. You
Mm-hmm.
can pass it in the span of 5 days, 8 days. Yeah, son. Depends on how the market moves. So we have to work with what the market give us.
Okay, sure.
Yes, and that's it.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So
Okay.
we're gonna be on here for a little bit. So if you know you're gonna be busy, then make sure once you're in profit, you close out because you don't want to leave it. This goes for everybody else as well, guys. If you don't know you're not gonna be busy, do not put on any trades. Wait until either you're finished trading for the day or wait until the next session before you put on any trades. Especially if you're gonna trade the fast moving pairs. You understand? The slower pairs them is better if you're gonna be busy. But if you understand, if you know you're gonna
So
leave it
so
and not pay
when
attention to
it's in
it,
profit is when it's in green, right?
huh?
When it's in profit is when it's in green.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. But you're not gonna close
Okay.
it out right now.
Right, right. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So anybody else need help setting up, guys, while I'm still here? Anybody? Right. Yana, you had a question? Hold on, let me unmute Yana. Yana. All right. We can't find Yana. Yana. Right, I just asked to unmute Yana.
Good morning.
Hi, morning.
Okay, so I think you just answered one of my questions, basically about if we're going to be busy, we should just close out the trade.
Yeah,
And this applies for VIX as well.
okay.
So, for instance, if you like send in the group that says, buy such and such, where it shows in the picture where the red line is that the stop loss or should we just let it run?
Is this for VIX or is this
For
for
VIX.
for VIX? Okay, so that was regarding for, well, in a sense, yes, it can be for VIX as well. So yeah, so when I do drop the pairs in the chat for VIX, the red line is your stop loss. So for
Okay.
VIX is different from futures.
Okay, got it.
Yes. So for VIX now, let's say for example, and this is why I give you guys a stop loss. Let's say for example, you're gonna be at work or you understand you're going to be busy. The stop loss is there to protect your capital, right? But let's say you do go and check back your trade. If you're in profit, what you can do is move your stop loss in profit.
Okay.
You understand? Yes, I'm going to drop a video in the group on how to do that. How to move your stop loss in profit if you're going to be busy. For futures now, right? For those who are trading futures, you guys don't have a stop loss. We're trading live, so you don't need to put a stop loss. What we're doing is if you're in a loss of certain amount, then you can stop it by itself by pressing on the X for those who are trading futures. So it's two different market here. All right, so I hope that answers your question, Yana. Oh, Yana, I'll mute back. All right. So yeah, so for those persons who are trading VIX, once you're in profit, you have one out of two things. You either move your stop loss in profit or you close out your trades, guys. All right. Now, if you're trading futures, we're going to be on here, like for the morning sessions, we're going to be on here. For Asian and the morning sessions, we're going to be on here live, right? For those who are on a small account, such as a 50K account, your maximum loss for the day should cap off at $500, which means that if we're in a trade right now and the market a pull back, we can't control the market, guys. Right? Remember, there are plenty of things that go on in the market right now with news and Trump and tarnish what the man and him Powell business are going over there. So it might always attack. Now, if you have a small account, such as a 50K account, if you're at a loss of $500, close out and save the remaining five. For those who have a 100K account, you have up to $1,000 cap. For those who have a 150K account, you guys have 2,000 cap to play with because you have 5,000 extra to play with. You understand? So let me just pull up back Alpha Futures right here. I'll show you something. All right, so right over here, so. Right, this is where you're at, right. So for those who are on the advanced plan, 150K account, your maximum loss, right? Your maximum loss for a 150K account is going to be 2,000. Then after that, you're going to have 3,250 to play with to make up back that 2,000 where you lost. For those under 100K account, you can either go 5 or you can go 1,000, right? In this case, yes, and in this case, you can go, you can either go 1,500 or you can go 500 or you can go 1,000 on the 100K account. For those who are on the 50K account, 500, which is a 50K advance account. For those who are on the zero plan, right? Do not let it go to the 1,000, cap it out at 500, right? For those who already have buffer on top of their account already, which means that if you've traded on the account and you have extra money, you can lose back the money that you've made. Not all of it, you know. Because nobody has no time for us to build up all of that money back again. So, if it's a case where you add extra money, we're working with the people that will have extra money in them account. If you have extra money in your account, right? You can close out on the extra money. You're only losing your money where you build up on. You're not lose into their money, which is the prop firm money. If everybody understand what I'm saying. So like how Kerry close out just now and Wanda close out, you guys had extra money to play with. You understand? So now use phone extra money wanna build up in the market with. You understand? I hope everybody is with me and nobody in a loss. Or you guys want me to repeat this? For those persons who already had an account and you've built up an account already. So if it's a case where you add an extra 3,000, an extra 5,000, an extra 6,000, an extra 7,000, 8,000, whatever the case may be, you guys can close out on that extra trade and that extra money. If you're in on their money, right, you're down 1,000, so make sure you close out fast, and then when you set up back, you can enter back again, right? For those persons who are on, right, for those persons who are on the 100K account, right? We'll go on this. The 100K account, Alpha's around here, so if you're in on their money, you can close out at 500 if you're comfortable with the 5 and leave the remaining 3 to play with, right? So if you don't want to close out at 5, at 1,000, close out at 5. For those who are under 150K, if you don't want to close out at the 2,000, you can go 1,000 and then leave the remaining 4,250. For those who are under 50K advance, if you don't want to go the extra, well, it would be 5 years so. So 500 out of the 1,750. For those who are on the 50K zero plan, right? This goes for Alpha and for Funding Next, $500 the max. All right? And that's it. So, Princess, you did mess up yesterday because yesterday you should have closed out at 500. Remember me telling you, say, if you have a small account, $500. Don't make it go 5 past 5. So if you had closed out at 5 yesterday, you would have had, you never have no extra money on your money, Princess, on the live account. You never have no extra money on your live account. Right. So you had $2,000 to play with. Yesterday, if you had $2,000 in general for work with $2,000, if you had closed out yesterday at the 5, you would have had 1,500 left to play with. Right? Even if I don't think you had come on to the session last night. So you would have still had the $1,500 today. Right? That means anything happening in the market right now, you understand? You're gonna close out at the next 5 today. And then you have a next 1,000 to play with. You understand? So that 1,000 that you have to left, that 1,000, right, that 1,000 that you have left to play with, you could have taken out 1,500 out of it if you build up back just in case the market does set up back again. You understand? So you guys have to pay attention. That's why I say if you're not busy, do not trade. You understand? Before I lost on a goal, then the next loss, then when it stop. Then to the loss. Yes, you had stopped trading after you hit the 1,000, but you should have stopped. You should have, if that's the case, stick to one pair. For those who are on a small account, stick to one pair. Yes, son? And do not let it go over the threshold. Yes, and because the minute you go over the threshold, you get into feeding money. For everybody that's trading right now, you're trying to avoid getting into their money, which is their 5,250, or their 2,000, or their 1,750, or their 3,000, 3,000 something. Yes, and this is all my master it, guys. When me I trade, I try my best to make as much money, as extra money as I can on top of their money, if that makes sense. You understand? So if it's a case where, you understand me, in a one trade, we make sure even if it's $100, me secure the $100. So at least me can build up a little bit on their money. Right? Which is the brata or the extra money, right? Or buffer. You have different names for it. So that's what you need to, that's what everybody needs to do. Try and build up on their money with the buffer. So at least if, just in case the market goes the opposite way, you understand? You're not losing too much out of their money. Right? And this goes for the live account as well, for those who are on a live account. When you're trading and you build up on their money, so for example, for those who are close to passing their account, right? It better you trade, and if you have any loss, you're losing the money that you build up on. You're not losing their money. Because you see, when you lose for their money, son, you have to sit down and wait until the market set up back again for you if you go build it back up again. You understand? So it's better you build up on for the money, and then you can lose off your money that you built up on, not their money. Right? If you're just starting out, that's different, because some of you guys who are just starting out, you guys are new. You understand? But me, I talk about everybody that was in from before. And this also goes to the new persons as well. Right. Everybody out of the trades because we have some pullback going on here. Everybody out. Morning. Right. So we're gonna sit down and wait on this to set up back again, guys. Remember, there's a lot of things going on in the market. You understand? We have to try to adapt to this and adapt to that, and Trump a chat around here. So, and when the Fed chairman Powell, you're more Powell. Sure, the man always me always used to Powell attack, and me I call the man Powell. But I might as well a Powell because man Powell are the same thing. So yes, so if he's still talking, then that's what's affecting the market around here. So yeah, how much years, say for the whole 6 years that I've been trading forex, we're so used to Powell. Every day a Powell a chat. Every day a Powell a talk. Right. So if you guys see on my screen right here, I'm in minus of $1,000. Now I do have extra money on my account. You understand? I'm not saying you guys are supposed to tug it out and you understand now watch on money a single down. Now I have extra money on my account. Now if it go down to at least 3K, I can close out because that's money that I've built up on the live account. You understand? So I can make that money and you're allowed to lose it back. Not lose what the whole of it, because I have more than the 3K in the account. So when it's set up back again, then boom, we can go back in. And if we go down to the 3K, we can go back in and make back the 3K by the market close off by later on. You understand? So having a buffer is very, very important on these accounts, guys. You understand? That's the best thing about Alpha. They allow you to build up on their money, and that money that you build up on is yours. You're allowed to make it and lose it back. Yes, and not all of it, but you have to still caution what you do there. So, yes, and should I stop the MNQ because close out everything, guys. Everything. Close out all of the trades, guys. Right. If you guys don't want to use the amount that I tell you guys to close out at, as in the for those who are on the bigger accounts, right? If you're on the advanced plan, if you're on the 5K, if you're on the 150K, if 2,000 is too much for you, close out at 1,000. So if you close out at 1,000, you have 4,250 left to play with. That means, say, when the market calm it body down and it's set up just like yesterday what happened with Trump and the talking yesterday, just like that, I see something happen today. We have to learn to adjust to the market, guys. Now, if 2,000 is too much for you to lose on the 150K account, stick to 1,000. Cap it at 1,000. So cap. Then now, right, you have 4,250 left to play with. Right. One here have a 150K account. I can't remember. Was it Kimmy? Kimmy and OS have a 150K account, guys. And you too, right. So from yesterday, log into your account metrics on Alpha and tell me how much you have left. How much you have. You guys never make up back what you lost yesterday. Right? Where's Kimmy? Come quick, talk to me, people. Talk to me, man. Kimmy, where are you? Who else have a 150K account, guys? Chop, people. Come on, quick and fast. Oh, you never go back in yesterday. Right. So how much you've lost yesterday? Because we are trying to match it out, you know. So when the market set up back, then we can know what to do from here. So. All right. Took 1,500 from you yesterday. Right. So how much you have lost today? So was that 1,500 out of the 5,250? Or you add extra on your account already? Because if you add extra on your account already, then it's not in their money. You see what I'm saying? I hope this makes sense, guys. Out of the all right. Now we get in places around here. So now that minus 1,500 is out of your 6K extra. Nice. So now, when you go back into the market, when this set up back, when this set up back, right? When this set up back again, now all you need to make back is that 1,500 from yesterday, plus what did you lose today out of this market just now? So whatever you just lost, plus that 1,500, that's what you need to make back out of the extra money. Novia never hear myself close out all of the trade them. This go for everybody, Novia. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Novia close the trade. The market a pull back because news are going around here, so dear. Close. Everybody's supposed to be out of the market, guys. Out. Right. So you had 2005 at a loss out of your extra 6K, right? So now when you go back into the market, that's what you need to make back on top of your money, right? Including the extra what you have left. So you're going to be trading back on your extra. So that's what I'm trying to explain to everybody else. Right. Where is Kimmy? Is Kimmy here or should they work? Right. Now over you close the trade. I'm going to close mine over here. So I'm going to reach a 3K target yet. Right. Anybody else have a 150K account? Because we are trying to salvage these things, you know, guys. So Elijah just need 2005 to make up back into his extra money. Right. Anybody else? Kim have Kim have a 150K account. All right. So Kim probably there work, so she can't talk right now. Right. So you see, like I just close out at 3K at a loss. Then all I have to do is get back into the market when the market set up back and then make back that 3K. In a me extra money. Right? That's the best thing about Alpha Futures. Right? I mean, we can't speak for the rest of the brokers them. Alpha Futures and Top Step, that's all they are. You can make for them, you can make extra money on top and you're allowed to lose it back. Not all of it, and I'm just saying some out of it. Yeah, so when you're ready for make back up the money now, you make back money on top of your money, not on top of FIDE money. Right, when I get to the gist of the matter. Oh, yeah, work. All right, nice, nice. We talk later on. Yeah, so today you need to make back 2005. So when the market set up back for us, then you need to make back 25. Right. Who is on the 100K account now? Because we are going down the line, guys. We are going down the line. All right, I close, but when I go back and I see, no man, just make sure the X is closed. Make sure you click on the X. All right, so Mari, that's your goal to 2005. All right. All right, so in minus 500 of their money. So that's not bad. All right. Nice, nice, nice. Right. Anybody else that's on the 100K account? Anybody else? So this is what I'm trying to say to you guys. Once you build up on FIDE money, you don't have a whole lot of money. You understand? FIDE money for build up on. All right. So who else in a minus with their money? If you're not in minus with their money, then you're good to go. But if you're in minus with their money, then you're good to go. All right. You're in 2K of their money or of your money, your extra money, James. Right. Fast is down 2,474. Yeah. But what can go on so? Fast, you're on the 100K account. Let me get my calculator, yeah, so. Wait. All right. Hold on there a second. Hold on. All right, Frost. Go on your trading view, right? Go onto your trading view and click on the little blue and white symbol. Right? And look at the very, very top where it says account balance and let me know how much your account balance is. So this is how you guys can understand how these things work. You understand? So at least when you not trade, you know what to look for and what not to look for. So that's why I said the more you build up on FIDE money, the more you can lose off the extras and not get into their money. So you see, like fast now, like how you just got started, Nova just got started. You understand? A few other persons got started. You guys basically, you understand? I get into the thing. Right? When I look for blow now, what if accounts around here, guys? The max account everybody's supposed to buy is at least 1, 2, 1, 3 accounts. And then from there, you just learn from the previous accounts. And that's it. All right. Hi, everybody on TikTok. Everybody, I look on my face. When I can't see my screen, unfortunately, because TikTok no stop suspend my page. Right. So 97, 5 0.25. All right, so I think on the 100K account, if you go down to what, 96,000? If I go down to 96,000, then the account is blown. If I'm not mistaken. I say go. Anybody with the 100K account can clarify this? Yes, that's what he said. Yeah, I think at 96,000. No, you were only in one trade, Novia. Those ones are just the symbols. Yeah, 96,500, right. All right, so first, moving forward, do not take any more do not take any more of the NQ trades. The NQ or the ESs. Leave those trades. You have to trade the smaller pairs them now. So because you're almost close to blowing that account, right? You're going to trade only the watch out. You're only going to be trading the MES and the MNQ. Do not take no ES nor no NQ moving forward until a build up back. Is Jamie on here? What Jamie there? So Jamie's a quiet or in the call. Right. So yesterday Jamie was down the same number as you, Frost. And he had re-entered back the trades him yesterday and end up building back up his account to 100K. You understand? So it's possible for you to take it from where it is right now and build it back up. All right. So now we get the local liquidation come down here. So come take out back these stop losses down here, right? For those persons who can trade NQ and the ES, you can get into there. For those persons who just had a loss, only stick to the smaller pair. Just the small pairs me I could give now. So for those persons who want to take the bigger pairs, if you hear me call out the MES or the ES, and you can afford to get into NQ and ES, you can get in there. But I'm not going to tell you if you get into NQ or ES. We just work with these people and we have a loss just now. All right, so we're going to wait until this market set up back again and we're going to whap it back up here so I make back with money. All right. So it took me from minus 500 to 800 plus and took it all right back. Coming like, hold on a second. Coming like this morning. It never happened. Yeah, so the market's staying. What Novia, you're still in the trade? Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, so if you're still in the trade, Novia, stay in, because I look like the market will push back up. Oh, Donna Mercy, I cannot bother. Should my screen still be like this? You're still in the trade, but leave it. Because it'll pull back up. You're on 100K account, so yours never go all the way down to the 3,500. So leave it, Novia. Yeah, it almost blow. Cause if you don't remember when she sent the previous no, leave it because it's a push back up. When she sent the previous screenshot, she was at 2,000 something. Why God up on your side today, Novia? God up on your side. All right. Yeah, leave it because it's a push back up. Watch out. A liquidity. Grab them, go grab them, I say no. I look how me go close my trade, yes or no. Jesus Christ. I was Nazareth boy. All right. But when I say to people, this is why I'm in a like New York session. I only I do New York session for the people that were there at America. This is what I'm saying. Me stick to me London and me Asian session and make me money and come out in the markets. Boy, oh boy. But Trump and his minions them. I can't take them at all, man. It's just one thing after the other with them run your so. All right, you're up 700. Oh, you did re-enter back. Okay. So for those people who do have the strategy, you guys would have re-enter back some of the trades them. All right, so get ready for NQ, guys. For those who can take NQ, you can get in for the buy now. For those who can trade NQ, get in. If you're already in, you don't need to re-enter. All right. For those who can't trade NQ, get into MNQ for the buy. Right? So MNQ for the buy. If you're already in a trade, do not take no more trade, guys. One trade, one symbol we are work with. If you make up back the money. One symbol. So let me know when you're in, guys. No, you don't have to do anything because you're already in the trade. You don't have to do anything. So keep that one that you're in. With the pan. Why? Me have 3K. If you come here, come back me there. Come here, so. Me not joke with that one you run here, so. Me have to make back my money quick and fast run here. I can't get in. No, you can get into MNQ frost. So MNQ for the buy. The smaller version, not the NQ. Cause if you're going if you go, I don't want to tell you if you're going at the NQ and one pullback on that they could blow your account. So work with the smaller pair for now until they build up back on the accounts. So when you get back up to the 100, then you can start trade back. For everybody that's below the 96,000, below the 100,000, sorry, once you get back up to your 100K, then you can start trading back your NQ and your ES. But for now, we are work with the smaller pairs. No, man, remember some stuff to update the pairs them. If it work, try and see if it work. Press buy and see if it works. Because you need the up-to-date. But first, you need to listen, you know. I said to update your peers. So you want the one that says MNQM 2026. You never add that one? Morning. Sorry guys, me not pay attention to no over here, so me there, me I teach. It's teaching day. All right, you get in for the buy, Frost. Right, for everybody else that could have taken the NQ, then you guys can take it. If not, then make sure you take the down version. We call it the down version because it's smaller pair. Right, so we are look for COD. So I'm gonna be on until 6 p.m. for make back the money. It's now 4:15, 6 o'clock at dinner time. Come we have a little bit of time. So if in the meantime, you can go and go, we understand, go make some breakfast to the people that were overseas, you understand, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna drink my water. Aye. Yes, please. Right. So everybody's supposed to be in a little tubes of profit. Right? Little tubes of profit, yeah, so. All right, Mari. Mari says she can prep dinner. All right. I'm gonna shout out low. So if you hear me say, all right, guys, jump out, then you jump out. All right. So we just need this to push back up and then we're good to go. So let me go and play some music in the meantime. But I see him thing Trump do yesterday, no? I said, Jesus Christ. I said, Trump do a piece of thing yesterday. But we didn't manage to make back the money yesterday at the same time. Yeah, son, them come down to come grab liquidity and go about them business. I say, all right, then we are wait for this to set up back. By the time we look, boom, the market push right back up. Are you in? You're supposed to be in an NQ. Mr. Forget in a frost. You're not supposed to be in a no 400 minus. You're supposed to be in MNQ, the smaller version. I never say NQ. That means you not have M and Q on yours. So you need to so first you need to click on the one that you're in right now. Go and watch it and see what happen. Cause this sound like you enter NQ and not the smaller one. MNQ 2026 and you're minus $400 already, you know, so fast. No sign so fast. That means say you're in on the wrong one. Yeah, that's the wrong one. You're not supposed to be. Let me see it around here. So no man, I know that one. So like how you're in already, stay in. Yeah, like how you're in that one, stay in because you're in on the wrong one. That's why I mean it's $400. I said, no, darling. Well, like how you in there, stay in, at least that account no blow. I not laugh. I see what situation I got run here, so stay in, carry it push up. Jesus Christ. Have his mercy. They say you have to pay for education, and not true. Yeah, have to pay for things around here, so and it's very, very true, people. All right, let me see what I got on. So the run of the VIX side, not really going run here, so guys. 25 one is did push down and pushing back up. Anybody want to re-enter back 25 one is you can. And then 101 is push back down to entry. You can re-enter back that one as well. I don't see anything else I set up around here, so guys, everything kind of consolidate and a push down. Right. Anybody in profit yet? Because me up 1,600 over here, so because I make back my money today. If Trump I want him money and then when name Star Apple, think me now make back my money, make a sad mistake. Oh, because them always choose it. And this is why I say me like New York session. Because New York session we get heart attack, you know? Me say New York session will give you heart attack if you don't have strong heart and mind and soul and your all. You give you heart attack for true, true, true. Me like New York, I like Asian session because Asian session slow. Yes, and it's slow, but it's sure just the same. And I like London session because London session, even though for the last couple of days it's been slow, you can still grab where you can and run to Jesus. New York session, art monitor business are going run here, so. Yeah, man, just prepare for meet the day if you see Jesus. Mm-hmm. Prepare the day if you see Jesus for true, true, true. Because me I assure you say, if you don't have strong heart runner, so you lose it. All right. Anybody in a profit, guys? Anybody in profit? Right. So Novia, you're supposed to be decreasing. So you was at 1,000 something just now. You're supposed to push back up, lower in the red. So go and hold on pan it. So you end up making probably I'll left it for the rest of the day. If you keep pushing up for the rest of the evening, you probably will make more than what you did like a loss. Right, we're gonna watch that candle here. If you guys want to secure profit along the way as well, for those who did re-enter, secure profit and then you can re-enter back. Yeah, son, if you want to go and tug it out, go and tug it out, and I tug it out. Me not close this until me make back my money when me just close out. Where the man named Tashni make me close out just now and make me lose my 3,000 and I come me there. I'm too out order. All right, this is a song you have to song. We're winning right now. All right.
New hyaluron tint by.
I know I hear you, lady. All right, so we have a little bit of pull back going here, so. All right, come on, NQ, work your body, work your body. Work your body, work your body. Come on, man. Cause nothing down there so for you go to. You already go down there so come sweep out the board of this liquidity here. So nothing not down there so for you go down there so far. All right. Yeah, go and watch your ride right now. Me alone in the dark room. Coming out, nobody fit talk to. All right, let me see what I'm going in a John shop yes or no. All right, this not ready yet. You can re-enter back 25 on this. All right, still there playing about. All right, you do one nice, I can push up this so. I'll go and watch this yes or no. I'm gonna come back and retest some of these areas. Right, did anybody secure profit just now when it just push up on NQ? Did anybody secure any profits? Are you guys still in? You secured 900 in total. Nice, nice, nice. Right. Anybody did secure anything just now? 51 is. Right, this will set up your zone. I won't say if anybody in a waiting room. I'm saying I try for come in, but in our work. Hold on then. It's still low there now. I'm gonna ask the request run here, so. Right, they might come down, come retest some of them areas here, so you know. And coming back down to retest some of these areas. Hold on, we just see it here, so. Alright, hold on there. Let me tell you if we try again. Right, I need to go for my pen so we can knock out some of the persons that are. Good evening. Hi, Kofi. I haven't seen you in a long time. How you doing? 1 second. Work, my sister, work. Have your way. That's a no. Right, you haven't entered no trade from the last time you sent me the picture, Kofi. Really busy, really, really busy. All right. So I'll go and run as a guys. Market a pull back a little bit, guys. We'll go and watch it and see what go on. All right, did you make any profit? You made 1K, all right. So out of the 1K, how much more you have left to make? So look at your additional profits and see how much you have left to make. Cause I think it was 5,000 in total. So it's supposed to go down to 4 something. Remember, guys, once the market push up in a profit, any amount of money where you see, grab and go, as in profit. You understand? If you did re-enter back anything, any amount of money where you see in profit, grab and go. You better you secure where you see. If you see $100, $100, $100, $500, $1,000, $900, grab it and then ask if you can go back in. Now make the market push up in a profit and come back down and lose that the money wanna just see. Greed. All right. Hi, Kenisha. Good evening. Right. So for those who are just coming on, guys, right, 4,862. Okay. All right. So we are saying if we can knock out that by 6 o'clock. Well, I'm gonna be on until 6. Right. So for those who are just coming on, get ready to enter NQ for the buy. We call it out from before, but as you know, one ugly man over America, they attack on the TV. You understand when him Ash or Tasha, whatever him name, you know, Fed cheer. Yeah, him over there attack, so he make the market move one time down here. So we have to close out some trades in a negative and now we are look back for get back in to make back the money. You understand? Yeah. So same thing what Trump do yesterday, same thing him do today. Right. So we are look for him make back up the money. So if you don't enter no trade yet, don't enter any trade yet. We are wait for a break and close back above this area. All right, so while I sit down here, so let me create the new group. And if we create a new group, I had persons in there. Right. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. How's your live account going, Kenisha? How's your live account going? Made any extra money? Remember, for the live account now, the fittest of the survival is here. So your aim is for you to get your payout, your first payout on Friday. That's your aim for Friday. All right. Come on, NQ, work your body up, work your body up. Okay, Kenisha busy.
Some boy thinks a foreign fucking friend this, you know. Tell them. What me have the integral, you have the store law.
Right. So you're in the red now. So you have to wait, you have to go wait. What are you in NQ?
This.
So remember, what in analysis, you know, follow instruction now, guys. If you don't know now, could be busy, close, you better not close out the trade in a red. Now want a little bit of red more than leave it there and make it blow on our account. Remember me say, it's not a lot of people reach to payout stage on these accounts. You understand? One of the money I'm in work today. Yeah. No, this not gonna work. All right. Okay, you forgot. So what are you in? Are you in NQ? Did you have extra money on top of your did you have extra money on top? We'll work your body over your soul. On a few time. We work it your soul. Okay, now I was asking you if you had extra money on top of on top of the live account already. One of the guys. Hi. Hi, stranger.
A stranger.
Right, I'm back, guys. Money is very vital right now. I don't have time to stump on the phone all day. Heading home to focus. Yes. Okay, you're up over $1,000. Okay, that's very nice. All right. So we patiently await right here, so guys, for this trade push up right here, so. Absolutely nothing. Let me tell you some people, come here, let me tell Pinch and tell you something. You see, if you're there on the phone with somebody and them not do what you do, as in trade, you don't have time for some with them on the phone all day now. Them the days are over. Yeah, them days are over. When your friend, your girlfriend, or your boyfriend, or your friend, or your man friend, or your woman friend, go call you, oh, what you doing? Oh, you did see this about Rose? And did you see that about this? And you see about that? And you see this up on social media? Me not see nothing, me blind. The only thing me see are these charts. Me not wanna, but me not keep friend. Thank God. Cause nobody now call me phone and ask me say, if me see this or me see that, me not see nothing. All me see a chart run ya so. Money, me want to see. Cause them now pay my bills run ya so. I just see what you have to be patient and wait until they push back up, Jamie. Yeah. Me now, you understand, you have to left everything back in the old time days. You see, anything from 2025 and beyond, you understand, back in them old time days, you left those things over there, so. If you not talk money, me no want to hear nothing from you. And that's just the truth. Because when I dare so if it stand up and keep dry throat reasoning, you understand? Show me a way how me can make some money, and me tell you a way how you can make some money. Me no want to hear nothing. You understand? Nice. And leave it there so. True. You sound harsh, but a true. Right? But then if me need telling you the story. When I got started with trading back in 2020, me and this girl was friend. And me tell her, I said, come in, come learn how to trade. The same time as me now. She said, oh, I'm busy. And I'm this. Remember when I COVID, within a lockdown, when I do nothing. Oh, I'm busy and this and that. And Ray and Teddy, the devil was all. She busy on Tinder. I look man. Eh? Busy on Tinder, I look man. And that's the truth that's all. You understand? So I said, oh, okay. Then one next time again, you know, I ask her. She said, oh, I have somebody in Canada. I have a friend in Canada who trades. I'm going to ask him to trade some money for me. I know she find him man, yes, but she divorced now. You understand that of one next story for one next day, and that we are talking about. You understand? So, me tell her, I mean, get her on one next time, I say, come make some more money. Come make some money with me. Not some more money, come make some money. She said, oh, I'm seeing somebody and he's taking care of me and this and that, them was all. My dear, no, nobody not take care of she. Back to work, she gone. You ever hear them saying if you put your trust in a man? Okay. Don't put your trust in a man or woman. Whatever them do, it can be undone. When them pack up and ready for go on their business, money cut off. Yeah, son? The money cut off, so you have no other means of getting no money in unless you have to go back a government job or yes, and or go back to work in general. So don't not put your trust in a man. Right. May start the derivative. Me tell her I say come trade derivative. She create the account, she go as far as download the app, create the account, put $150 in there, she go in a couple trades, the account blow. She said, oh, this is hard. Then when she see me start make more money now, yeah, son, Cause every trade me trade, me sure me tell her, I say, look here, me make this amount of money today, that amount of money today. But guess what that I go on? Jealousy that I chip in. And me can pick up on things. When me look people, she said, oh, I'm going to Jamaica, and when I go to Jamaica, I can set back up the account because she didn't want the proof of address on Jamaica. She go to Jamaica for the much weeks, almost 1 month down there. I don't remember the bank statement. So I say, look here, you see me now? Me not have no time to help people for run them down for make money. If you want to make money, that's for your business. True, so I tell her. Me is a very upfront person, so many people. Me not have time for the BS. Yeah, son? When me just come back from Jamaica last year, me sure I say me turn $157 into $8,000. Is what me tell her. You know when somebody jealous and bad mind, remember that this somebody supposed to be your friend. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, you know, so me need to get back into the trading. From that I don't tell her gunfire about trading again. Me and I cut her off. Cause every day she call me on the phone. Ah, Kim, oh my God, I'm talking to this guy, and this guy, and he's from Switzerland, and he's from this, and it's every day that I'm years old. Me no want hear them kind of energy. If I say me cut them off last year. Me no want hear about no man. Get your money up first, and then later on you can worry about your man. For now, get your money up. You come on the phone and come tell me about dirty man. Sorry, not dirty man as in uno dirty man panes. But me just say in general. Me don't want to hear it. Ah. So because of that now, I cut off everybody. Right. NQ for the buy, guys. If you're already in, stay in, guys. If you're already in, stay in. But if you're not in yet, you can get into NQ or MNQ for the buy. NQ or MNQ for the buy. Right? Frost, is still in the trade? Frost, were you still in? Novia, you still in? Jamie, you still in the trade? All right. Yes. Okay. Nice. All right. Yeah, I did say it from 2021, 2026 step in. Anybody that's not contributing to my life as in motivational, yes, not financial, take out financial out of it. Anything that's not contributing to my peace of mind, I don't want them around me. You understand? Me can't take the negativity and then worry about something there. You may not have time for that. Right. I'm so I'll go along with that trade today because if NQ thinks that me a ramp with it today, me not come out and no more trade. That's it for the day. Me so soon they don't look out extra money when we make it at the market. And I'll close it out for the rest of the day. That's it. So it have to go push up today. By will or by force, it have to push up today. Cause not no down there so fee go for a beer liquidation, then I go down there so go grab and retest. And they not sell. They're not selling the market, you know. They just take up them know some people that enter back the trades them. So they keep coming back down here, come wipe out people stop loss. That's what they're doing, you know. That's all them do. They keep coming down here, come retest back the same weeks them, you know, and I push up back the market. Okay, we still gonna wait. We have time today. We have time today. So we're gonna sit down patiently and wait for you to set up. Mr. I'll go and run as now. All right, so MGC did end up pushing down. It's also setting up. So US oil, that's a MCL. We did get a break and close down here. So this still not safe. Right? This still not safe because we still not come down here, come grab these, come fill out back these gaps yet. Hold on, let me see something. Yeah, them still not come fill out, but this gap, this is still a big gap right here. Right. Yeah, we not trust that body at all. So we are left it alone there, so. We could see if we can get into MGC while we're there, so. Let me see something here, so. Alright, then they fill out the gap right there, so. Right. So if we can get this push back up and we get a break and close above here, we can enter MGC for the buy. But for now, it's not quite ready yet. All right, MNQ, we're still waiting for these to set up right here, so. All right. Right. So here what's gonna happen now, guys. For those who are overseas, what you guys have to do is see if you can set an alarm to come onto Asian and London session in the morning. Well, Asian session would be 8 p.m. for you guys, right? 8 p.m. in the evening or 7 p.m. Depends on where you are in the States. And then for same time as Jamaica time. And then for London session, it's usually 2 or 3 a.m. USA time. Get up early enough, make sure you set an alarm. Get up and come on these sessions because you know, see, this the second day now we are trade New York session and it's like this. And me as a person, I like trade New York session. That's just the truth. Yeah, son, you have to go sacrifice and sleep for 1 hour. Right? If you guys at work, then yes, son, you can have depends on what kind of job you in. Have no headphone now, no ears will cover it with no ear and listen to when me as if you get in for the buy or the sell. Because the New York session is a volatile. Yeah, son. Did it close it out? Did the trade close it out? Novia? If it close it out, that means you reach your limit for the day. That means your whole account gone. If it close it out. Or was it you that close it out? Yeah, because if it push down a little bit further, it would have reached the 3,005. So I would say for persons who are overseas, try and see if you can come on to the Asian session. You understand? Yeah, it closed it out by itself. Try and see if you guys can come on to the earlier sessions. You understand? Make the money for those 2 sessions, and then that's it for the day. Right? Because me and Trump and then with MP and Prime Minister and President or something, you're not gonna work for them a session, yeah. You understand? I was never a fan of New York session. Never a fan. It's too volatile. You understand? And if it go on like this, everybody could just blow them account. True. You understand? So we're not gonna do this with Trump at all. Not them a time, yeah. Money no there for dash way. Okay, Novia. So if you log into your Alpha Futures, go to your dashboard and take a screenshot and send it to me. Yeah, the New York session is a hit and miss with New York session, guys. Hit and miss. And for the last couple of days, it's been like this. Yeah, son. For the last couple of days, it's been like this. It's a hit and miss around here, so. If the market pull back, yes, and yes, you have to sit down and wait until they set up back again and all of these things. But in theory, persons don't normally trade New York session. Because of them something are going with beer nonsense. So we are trying to cut out all of these things around here, so and stick to 1 and 2 session. Asian session and London session is much smoother. And you understand, you can still make anything between the $5 to the $1,000 and you're done for the day just the same. Because we can't escape Trump and we can't escape the man here, the new Fed. Guy look like him worse than Powell. My dear. I still saying it. I not update yet. Click on where it says account metrics. Don't send it in here though. Click on where it says account metrics and send me a picture on Telegram. All right, so NQ take time and push up back, guys. $98. Okay, so all right, so you can. All right, so I would say for now, let's see something. I try and see if we can get into this 98, 99. All right, 2000 something. All right. So we'll wait until this setup. No, you haven't reached the limit for the day yet. All right. That's okay. Boom. So you need like 1,000 something to make it back up to the original. All right. Nice. All right. So hold on a second. I'm gonna tell you when to enter back NQ for the buy. So the same pair, I'm gonna tell you when to enter back for the buy. Kuya. Ah. So when we want to get into you know, you want to take your time and dilly-dally run. I know you want to rush and go about your business. Oh yeah. But what can we cause this run here so? Sure. Why? I cannot. All right, guys. All right, Novia, get ready to re-enter back the same pair. All right, now you can press buy and enter for the buy. So NQ for the buy if you're not in, guys. NQ for the buy. This must be it now. You know, like when you go to church and them pray for you and them say, yes, your fasting is coming up now. After your time for bus, I feel we trade, I feel we bus this year. I feel we bus right here, so right at the bus stop, yes, I feel we bus this. Why I cannot bother. Right, everybody in, guys. See it ya. Watch ya. Come look here, see what galang pan John shop ya now. Come, a long time is down there, so we are wait by you. Come, man. I'll stop waste time. Oh, hi, Island girl. Yes, you're still in red because you did enter all the way up here, so Jamie. Then you know still must be in a red. But you can't enter no more trade because I know so it work. You have to go sit down now and wait up until you reach all the way back up to where you enter. That's how it go. Yeah, you have to go tug it out. And unless you want to close it out and enter back from down here, so by the time this push up your inner profit, it's up to you. If you want to tug it out for now, right? If I me personally, me don't close it out and enter back from down here. So by the time this start push up in a profit, you don't make back up that money where you just close out at. You understand? Because by the time, unless you want to leave it, and then once it up in a profit, then you can always re-enter back as the next trade. Or leave it until it push surpass where you were. But I would, yeah, you have to go and hold it out. All right, that's it. Novia, that's it. All right, nice. Right. Everybody else still in trades? Yeah, I forgot go and hold it out. Yeah, for those who are on my TikTok, guys, you can come over my YouTube. See my YouTube there up the side of the tab. You can see my screen over YouTube. You won't be able to see my screen over here. I can't show no screen over here, so. If I was on my TikTok studio now, that would be different. But TikTok now, I don't for sure nothing me there. They want to see my face in the screen. So I don't know what they need hear about. Like some a face girl. Ah, they must hear some cover girl magazine. My dear. So I'm over by YouTube. So go on YouTube and search for Kimberly London and you will find me over there. Yeah, TikTok too strict for me like, you know. I mean I want them ban another page, yeah. Cause me tired if them ban another page, me finish off a TikTok. God no. No more. Bonjour. Any of them banana it, they come off a TikTok. All right. Coming out with this is set up. Right. At 51S for the buy, guys. So anything we are going on the forex market that affect the VIX market too, you know. Beer consolidation. Alright, did anybody secure their profit on 25 1S? For those who are trade VIX? I hope everybody secure their profit and run to Jesus. My dear. So you can re-enter back 25 1S, guys. Can re-enter back 25 1S to the buys. Alright, 100 1S there, yes, I'll play about. Guys, don't come over my YouTube channel. I'm over YouTube. Over YouTube, guys. Over YouTube. Me over YouTube. It's my YouTube name there. I can't show my screen over here, so. But I can see my screen on the YouTube. Away.
Only home today. It's not gonna be lonely. I'm looking love. Man, you know to give a love I can't give. When you're gone, when you're gone.
Here you know. So Wash say tariffs not why inflation is running high. So I'm gonna try to say the war that causes, Wash says will be independent of Trump. Here we are. That's why the market not gone away. Fed chair nominee Wash. The economy is close to full employment now. That means everybody gone back to work. Wash 25 minutes ago, if Fed kept smaller balance sheet, rates could be lower. 1 hour ago, Pakistan Information Minister formal response from Iran side. Blah blah blah. Fed chair nominee Kevin Wash, no more pressing question than cost of living. Trump tells CNBC he expects US to make great deal with Iran. US business inventories up by 0.4% in February. I cannot. That's why the market not going away. Be a nonsense that going. We still wait. We're still waiting. We are going to it out and go and wait. You have to push up today. There's only one way it can go. It can either go down or up or sideways. One out of the three. So we are wait. The man still attack on there because these things just updated 25 minutes ago, 36 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago, 48 minutes ago, 52 minutes ago. Him look like he not done chat today. Anyway, we are wait. Nonsense. Absolutely rubbish.
That's only gonna be lonely. I don't care. Yeah. Only home today. That's only gonna be lonely. I'm looking love. Yeah. Man, you know give a love I can't give. When you're gone, when you're gone, there's no gonna be no way. Each time this will be it. Now look at me, acting 2:45. I wanna go home. That's where I should be. Don't know what to do or what I should say. I don't make up my mind. One night turns to day. Yeah, she told me, are you waiting for you, honey? I'll make something special for you. Now how am I going to wait it? I can't afford to wait it. With lipstick stains, I've got you tiptoe. My double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my head. I'm tired, I'm sleeping, can't take the noggin in my head. Double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm so tired. I wanna go home. Now this is my gate. Wonder if she's awake or asleep. If I know her well, she's somewhere taking a peek. What am I supposed to be? This one better be good. Should I tell her I had confrontation with Robin Hood? Early, she told me, I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you. Now how am I gonna rent you? I can't afford to wait for with lipstick stains. I've got to go. And I got the trouble is when it's wrapped up in love. Tired of staying in deep love and now the trouble is when it's wrapped up in love.
Morning.
I wanna go home. Now I'm worried for my life. It's going to find. And I'm finally inside.
Guys, I'm over by YouTube, guys. TikTok not stop restrict my page. So I'm over YouTube. I'm over by YouTube. Yeah, but them I restrict me. We can't share nothing on my screen over here, so I restrict my live. I can only show my pretty face. Without makeup. So I have to put on makeup and I can't do what the rest of the people them do. I have time for that. You must waste my makeup come put on TikTok. All right, guys, them take time and push up the market now. Don't talk too fast enough, because you know the market's there. Go on, push up, go on, boy your business, go on. When I pay, you know, man, we're not there. We're not here at all. We're there next door. Yeah. I look like anytime we boost it up like Suppogen, you know, decide to push up again. See what I tell you? So we're not about to pay it no man. We are pretend we're not there. We are there home alone with Kevin. Home alone with Kevin. We're gonna pretend say we are the man them outside and Kevin inside of the house, that are the market, and the man them are try coming in the house. You have to go and teach people them things. Yeah, I agree that. Where's the thief in the night? Why is this thing taking so long?
I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's only for you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another raise. I feel a shiver running up my spine. This hurting feeling. It's all the night. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. My bed gets so cold, you got my happiness on hold. Why need a ton of joy? My heart gets warm. Thinking about you holding sweet in my own. Everything just tonight, loneliness in your life. I'm afraid to close my eyes. It's another sleepless night. Oh, the shiver, baby. I'm on the doctor's order. And I need you, baby. Forever is you, baby. Don't you know? Don't you know? I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. You know it's something new. It's only for you. Be the friend when I wait. I'm back and get another day. I wish you better. I really have my side. It's slowly going easy. It's all the time. Every time you go away, seems like you're living on a day. The shit went away. Come back and give another day. I feel a kind of joy and my heart gets warm. Thinking about you always in my arms. But as I go turns the night, no one asks me to fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Yes, it's another sleepless night. I can tell you so about what one dance can do. What one dance can do. One dance can do. One dance can do this and that. One dance on the floor.
Wanting for more.
What it is that I've got. She whispered so nice, so nice. But I'm sitting close away. You can hear the things I say. I'll be watching for the border of this side. Moonlight, moving away. Just stand away. Standing away. She was more than ready to make the move with me anytime. Not even thinking of the consequences, no. So I had to take it on. Was there a man whose face was looking oh so mean? There's a better time you've never seen him. So gently I stir away. You want to squat today. You said away. Still people do it away. She loves me. Now what's the something more. Something up for favorite. Saturday. Oh, rain. The Lord say, you might be in the room. I'm going to you. Yes, listen, like me. I'm going to tell you. Things into my life, no matter what. I'm not dreaming of my baby soul. But she loves me. Not just oh, she loves me. Now what's the name? But you would say, and I know so special.
Right. Guys, look like this a trade I want going off with you about at all. So here we go on. We have a plan right now. So we have a previous structure down here, so. Our previous structure right here. Them come down here, so. And we get a break and close below this. We have got to just close out the trade and call it a day until later on. That's what we have got to do. We are going to watch it for the time being, but it's just consolidating in the same place. So that's our little safe haven right here. So if we come down to this blue line right here, and we get a break and close below this, we get out, and then the understand, if we set up before the market close off, then we can get back in. If not, we leave it until Asian session. Otherwise, we could sit down here a whole day and it a play around the place. It a run dolly shop. Because they want to push up, there's nothing else down here so we come down to. They've been consolidating the market here so from Sunday night. And they don't want to move from this. Oh, God. Them can't make up their mind. Watch out. But I go and watch it in the meantime. I saw what I go on. Everything else I pull back down. I said if it comes on to the blue line, I want to tell you guys to close out now and just in case by the time I close out and I see start pull back up again. So if it come down to the blue line where my line is, then yeah, we can close out. We are going to watch it for now. Them know what them do around here, say now. Them know what them do. Because I tell you, say, by the time I come down to the blue line, I bet as soon as we close out, we see the market a push back up. A new 15-minute candle coming out. Let me see what the candle here do. All right, go and hold it, guys. Go and hold it. The new 15-minute candle push back up. Come on, man. No matter with the foolishness. Church of Christ. What's that? So when I tough like a rock stone. Okay, Kerry. We have a little bit of setup I go on here, so let me close out this here. We can see what I go on for the bloody screen. All right, guys, get ready. For those who are not in. Me say them a fight the market, you know? Me say the bull and the bear, them just a fight for the price. My God, no, sir. Me say one a pull and one a tag. The buyers them a push up, and the sellers them a try push on the price. The bulls and the bears them. Kuya. Confused that come round here. Them a fight the good fight, man. All right, Kerry, you can enter for the buy. I'm on the 15 seconds time frame, guys. So if we can get some instant entry in this. Me not close out no more trade for the day. That's it, you have to go up today. By will or by force. Then say by fire, by force. It have to go up today. I can't sit down here so the whole day, so. No, sir. Me not close out one more trade. Me sorry about that one here. It have to push up today. Have to push up. Me not going away. So me wait. Me go one but before now go sit down here so eat until it push up in a profit. Cause me have to make back my little piece of change or me close out with it. Oh. So you better work your body up there, so. Anisha, were you in any trades? Your account inactive? How? If it inactive, that means say blow. Were you in trades just now before you go away? You're supposed to be monitoring these things, Kenisha. You're supposed to log in and check these things for yourself. So you were on the 100K account, right? So if you if you were so if you said you add extra in the account, that means you lose the extra money plus the 3,250 for the day. That means you blow the account. If it show inactive, that means you blow the account. So log in and go to your account metrics and see how much the account went down by. That's what it sounds like. Your account blow. So when I said earlier, guys, make sure it's on a close out. If you don't know when you're busy, you better you close out the trade at a loss and then wait until you come back onto the session. Cause that sound like if at this morning, that sound like when the market pull down, right? You lose the money where you make plus into for the money. That's what happened. Yeah, your account blow. If it show inactive when in the dashboard, if you look right at it, right in the account section, and it show inactive, then that means you blow the account. Yep, so you have to start all over again now. You have to purchase a next account and start all over again from the evaluation stage. You can't do these things when you're busy, guys. It not gonna work. Yeah, so see it was up. Yeah, so it shows it was up 1,868 and it goes straight down the hill. 96 it shows a balance 97,000. That's so average loss 1,770. Balance. Yeah, your maximum loss limit was 97,539. Your account blow. So your maximum loss on the account was 97,539. And you only have 97,004. They even give you a little bit of grace period there, so. Yeah, it blow Kenisha. So you lost the extra money where you make, plus what you should have done, but like you say, you did busy, so you couldn't do anything about it. Yeah, you have to go start all over again. You have to go purchase back a next account, and then you have to go trade an account when you know you're not gonna have class. Yeah, that's all you have to go do. So go ahead, happen to the best of we. Me blow account when I start me can't blow no more account. Me reach to a stage where me get immune to blowing the account and me stop blow them. What I do is when me see the opportunity to get back into trades, me get in a trade. I get into trade when me see them set up. So that's why me have extra money built up on mine. So even if me lose one to go 3,000, one to go 4,000, 5,000, yeah, son, all me have to do is just wait to get back in and build it back up again. So me I go and watch this now before me close out anything I saw. Me I go and watch this to see what's gonna happen. Me not close out no more. The discount code is in the chat. I don't know if the discount code work, if I only one time you can use it or you can use it again. But try. Right. So guys, if this doesn't play out, we're gonna close out and then leave it until later. We still are going to watch it for the time being. Okay, and it seems like you aren't going to feel favor at all. We are going to watch it in the meantime. Watch out. Confused.com. Sure. Confused.com round your so. Well, I would say, guys, if you don't have work or school, you better wait until you reach home, then you trade. You understand? Because you know I'm gonna put on the trades them and you're busy and you understand this could happen to you again. So I would say wait until you get home, then you can trade. Or you get up for the London session and the New York session. Not the New York session. I'm gonna cut out the New York session. This New York session now work for we. Yeah, we're gonna stick to the Asian session and the London session. All right, guys. Guys, now for close out the trade. But I wanna save on the account. Never show me but the market nudge me. Say watch me are you today. All right, look on the same line. That's how I have the market line up. Look how it just create one reversal candle and we're gonna watch a trade here and see what one yes or no. Yeah, when I get back in a no more trade, guys. Cause when I want to revenge trade and this it could just do this so and play out. Unless it's set up back properly, then we can get in. Oh yeah. Jesus, take your case and give me the pillar. Okay, watch out. Right. So for me, get back into this for the buy. For you guys get back in, you have to come back up to the second blue line up so for we get back in. Like me say, me now close out mine. Me sorry about that one, yeah. It have got take off all of the profits that me make for my account and that's it. But me now close out mine. You have to go push up back. Me not closing it out at all. You're still in a trade, Novia? How much are you in the red by? But for those persons who have extra money in your account, you can hold on panic, guys. If you want hold on, you can. Me personally, me not close out mine. Cause it pushed down enough from this evening already. Me not close it out. You're still in, all right. If your account is still in, you can hold it out, then you can stay in. All right. So GM said 3,004. All right. So we are wait for it for come back up in the blue area, so guys. Then we can recall it back out. If you guys want to take back the NQ, or if you want to take the smaller pair, you can. But wait for it. We are wait for it to come back up here so before we get in. But I tell you, since the market do it bad today now, I tell you. You do it bad, man. Okay, I can see it, yes. Me say make we work for our money to them, I tell you the truth. If this push up and start buy down the whole place, me I tell you say work for we work for my money today. We definitely work for our money. What account size are you on Jamie? The 100K, right? Oh, the 100K, I forgot, yeah. No man, it close off I believe it's 4:20 your time. Yeah, 4:20 your time, yeah. Don't just start sell hard. Mhm. 11:48. Okay, you're ready for now. And that's a time difference between here and over there. Cause I want a 5:49 over here now. When I'm in America, I feel like me in the market the whole day. When I'm in America. When I'm over here, so it feel like the time difference feel different. Yeah. But you can get up early in the morning and start trading. The time difference was so off because when I was there, me I do my session and me have to wake up at 3 a.m. to do the session for persons who are in the UK. So the time is so different. All right. The sellers them tired, you know. Cause from evening, from morning until now, them not stop pull down until they finally come down here. So come say, all right then, we can't go no further. We still watch it. We not get in until you get a nice break and close right there, so. You understand? Because we couldn't get in from your side now. But we don't want to get in from your side and go trick we. You understand? I go pull down some more. We want to push up and get enough buying volume in the air. We turn on my volume bar. Want some more volume to push up the price. Volume we are work with. Right, so you see which part the volume kick in? Right there, so? You understand? We want to push up a little bit more, break and close above here. Then we can get in for the buy. And if you look on it in it wasn't selling, you know. Yes, and it barely pull back. Yes, and take out everybody's stop loss and then go on with their business. Yeah, yes, Kenisha. You have to do back over the evaluation. But just like how you pass it in a couple of days, you understand? Once the market set up in our favor, then you're good to go. But we are going to try avoid trading New York session, guys. New York session not work for we at all. Market condition no pretty at all around here, so. So we're going to stick to Asian session and London session. So you guys have to go wake up a little bit earlier to come on London session because you know still would have be up for Asian because Asian would have be 8 o'clock your time. So after I purchase the account, what do I do next? You'd have to sign, you'd have to do back over the first process. So the only thing you have to do is log out of your trading view. No, you're supposed to be the same login. Log in, go on your trading view and see if you have access to the new account. Just click on the blue and white symbol and see if you see the new account where you purchase. Or log out and then refresh and log back in. Oh, it's there? Yeah, so you don't have to sign over by the contract because I see him. It's just you're on the same platform. Oh, you was in the trade twice. Oh, all right, guys. We're go close off them trade here. Yeah, I'm not going to for a favor. We're gonna leave them. Leave them for today until later on. All right. Everybody out, guys. Everybody out. Because I want this push down no further and nobody else blow them accounts. Better we close out and call it a loss and then later on we can get back into trades. Yeah, you better we save the account them guys. Yeah, it don't make sense to sit down as a revenge trader. It don't make no sense at all, people. Down 127? Okay. Yeah, it's possible. We do it during Asian session and London session, yes. But New York session, we not take no check with Ronia, so and that this a orange face man, yeah. No, we not take no check Ronia. May I tell you the truth? Because between him and watch ya, between him and the new Fed, you look at them coronas if come damage people character. But now love, a serious situation. Yeah, them come run us from damage your character on you so. And make it look like so we not make no money. Them have news Thursday, them have nothing Wednesday. Friday, orange folder. Okay, that's about it. Friday, May 1st. We forgot say bank holiday. Yeah, we can't keep up with England and everything, she say, no? 'Cause every day a bank holiday over this a place, yeah. So Europe have bank holiday. England supposed to have bank holiday for me. Yes, me have bank holiday for sure. All right. So guys, we're gonna leave it there for now. Right? What time is the next session? I think this session for me because of work. So the next session is at 8 p.m. your time. So 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, we're gonna cut out the New York session, which is this session, guys. It's not so wonderful at all. Because them a time here when Trump wake up and everything, everybody else wake up America a problem. So we're gonna cut out that session here. What we can do is use this session to do, you understand, like Q&A, and if anybody need any help setting up with anything, or yes, we can use this session for it. But for trade, it's not good at all. They say if we stick to the gun. So we're gonna stick to the Asian session and the London session. So Asian session would have been 8 o'clock your time. And then London session would have been 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning for you guys. So we're gonna stick to those two sessions. Me can't take this session I get to my head hurt me. Cause now me have to go work like a drain at this market. I have to go make back up the money when me just lose. May I tell you, me have a good thing. So me did start take 1 and 2 look withdrawal out of the mark, out of the money. Can you imagine? Right. So we're gonna come back later on, guys. We're gonna breeze off. We'll go sleep, go and go eat some food and come back. I 1,000 extra me have on mine. Out of what one done? Out of the 6K? What of savior? So why you lose off so much? My word. Well, I mean, extra money still. At least you still have extra left on yours. Right, everybody out of the trades, guys. Everybody out. Make sure you click on the X. Make sure I say close out, guys. Make sure all of the trades them close out. Make sure all of them close out, guys. Me now look pa you for the rest of the day. You see one chart. You're gonna push up you're gonna push up until later. Me now look pa you. Cause you now come make me blow my account today. Not at all. Him now make me blow my account. So you can't turn the pull up and pull down and pull up and pull down there. So me now look for you, we done for the day. We must have discipline and say, all right, then that's it for the day. We are waiting for Asian session. We're not looking. All right, guys, later on, it's dinner time. Yeah, see everybody for Asian session. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat, guys. All right, later. Watch a piece of tray, take time, I push back up. Watch out. Jesus. Oh, yeah. Watch out. Hey. Boy, me I tell you, so the market are wicked enough. Me say the market are wicked, 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 wicked. Watch out. Well, watch it and see what go on. If it give us the break and close above the blue line, then we know say the buyers then back in. But if not, and it has stuck like what you see it do that, so we not get in. Well, watch it, guys. Cause nothing can go so in a John shop. Where? Jesus Christ. Me tell everybody to jump back on. I'm gonna for this so. Right, guys, we are waiting on this to see if we can get the break and close above here. Oh, God. Why? After this, this is how what they work, you know. I go sleep when me finish. I go eat my dinner and go straight to bed. I wake up back for Asian session later on. This a session drain with today, may I tell you the truth. Drain with today. No, we're not ready yet. We're waiting for it to set up properly. What time later? Around 11:15 fast. Yeah, around 11:15. That's when the market resets. Yeah. Okay, Fras. Watch Liberty, yes, sir. Jesus, boy, may I tell you, it was the devil that worked today. Devil at work, man. Trump and the devil at work. All right, guys, we're gonna leave it alone. That's a sign for leave it alone. We're gonna leave it. All right, guys, later on, if my seat set up, then I drop it in the group. But if not, we'll leave it alone until Asian session. All right, guys, later on.